How to edit Discord server name. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. Once you do that, go to the server that you want to change the name of. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right of the server tab. Then click on settings, and from the settings section click on overview, and at the top you will see server name. Click on it, and here you will be able to change your server name to wherever you want. Say for example, once you do that, click on the save button at the bottom right of the screen to save the changes. And as you can see, the settings has been updated and the name was changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your server name in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.